Hey, third grade, happy Wednesday. We are still just going to be doing the same thing again today, but with a different word problem. Okay, so let's take a look at this word problem. I have my setup, my UPS, and my check, okay? You don't always need to write, understand, plan, solve, and check. You can just do your UPS check. Sometimes you'll see the U, the P, the S, and the check down here in the corner. That's totally fine too. Just so I know which section is which part of your process, of the UPS check process, I at least want to see the U, the P, the S, and the check, and so does Mrs. Mays for those of you who are in Mrs. Mays' class, okay? So here is this is my setup, here is my word problem. All right, my first step. Who remembers what the first step is to do? Perfect. I heard some of you say that. You said, we're going to read the word problem without any numbers, okay? So I'm going to start by reading the word problem without any numbers. All right, here we go. Mom ordered 3 large pizzas for her family. Oops, Miss Garza already made a mistake. Let me start over again. Mom ordered some large pizzas for her family. Each pizza was cut up into slices. How many slices did each person receive if each family member had an equal amount of slices to eat? Wow, that is a lot more than what we had been working with. So I'm going to read that one more time without numbers. Mom ordered some large pizzas for her family. Each pizza was cut into slices. How many slices did each person receive if each family member had an equal amount of slices to eat? Okay. Now, I've read my number problem without the numbers. Now, what's the next step? Who remembers? Good job. I heard some of you say it again. You're going to write a sentence from your question, okay? So I'm going to use my question. How many slices did each person receive if each family member had an equal amount of slices to eat, okay? So each person received slices of pizza. Each person received blank slices of pizza. Now, this is going to be my answer later on, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just box that. That's going to be my answer later on, okay? How many slices did each person receive if each family member had an equal amount of slices to eat? Each person received blank slices of pizza, okay? Now, I need to go back and read this word problem using the numbers that are in the sentence. Mom ordered 3 large pizzas for her family of 6. Each pizza was cut into 8 slices. How many slices did each person receive if each family member had an equal amount of slices to eat? Okay, I'm going to go back and read it again, but I'm going to pause at the end of each sentence, and we're going to break that part down, okay? Mom ordered 3 large pizzas for her family of 6. So that means that 6 people are going to be sharing this pizza. 3 large pizzas for her family of 6. 6 people share 3 pizzas. Okay? Each pizza was cut into 8 slices. So each pizza, 8 slices. So 8 slices per pizza. Meaning, how many pizzas do we have? we have 3 pizzas, and each of those 3 pizzas has 8 slices. So pizza 1 has 8 slices, pizza 2 has 8 slices, pizza 3 has 8 slices. How many slices did each person receive if each family member had an equal amount of slices to eat? There is my sentence from my question. Now I can start planning this. I can do my understanding. Well, that's a lot, okay? There is a lot going on there. And I'm going to give you a little hint. This is a 2-step word problem. This is 2 steps, okay? So, what is going to be the first step of this word problem? All right, I think I heard some of you say it. If you said we have to figure out how many slices we have, you're correct. So the first step of this word problem is to figure out how many slices of pizza we have from all 3 pizzas. Okay, so I'm going to make my strip diagram. Now, because this is a 2-step word problem, you're going to have 2 different strip diagrams, okay? Because this is a 2-step word problem, we're going to have 2 different strip diagrams. So the first one, we just said that I know I have 3 large pizzas, and each pizza is cut into 8 slices. I'm not worried about the family of 6 yet, or how many people are getting this. The first step is to figure out how many slices of pizza, because each person received blank slices of pizza. Well, in order to figure out how many slices of pizza each person receives, I have to know, the first thing you have to know is the total number of slices that were going to be shared between the 6 people. And I know I have 3 large pizzas, so that's going to be my groups. Okay, 3 large pizzas. So this is pizza 1, pizza 2, pizza 3. Okay, this pizza has 8 slices, 8 slices, and 8 slices. All right. I do not have this. That is going to be the total number of slices. I don't have this. Pizza 1 has 8 slices, pizza 2 has 8 slices, pizza 3 has 8 slices. And the way that I can double check this, it says each pizza, there's 3 of them, was cut into 8 slices. Each of the 3 pizzas was cut into 8 slices. Pizza 1, 2, 3, 8 slices, 8 slices, 8 slices. That doesn't mean that there's 8 slices total between the 3 pizzas. That means each pizza has 8 slices, okay? That is step number 1. Now, I need to think about, what does my second strip diagram look like? Okay? What does my second strip diagram look like? Well, I'm going to have a total number of pizza, or total number of slices at that point. Okay, I'm going to have a total number of slices. That's going to go there. All right. Now, how many groups do we have here, though? How many groups do we have? Good job. If you said 6, you're correct. What are the groups in this number sentence or this word problem? What are the groups? The groups are the people. Good job. So the groups are the people. So I'm going to have 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is person 1, person 2, person 3, person 4, person 5, person 6. Okay? I don't know how many slices of pizza each person's going to get. And actually, I'm going to go back and I'm going to change this to a square. Okay? And the reason that I'm changing those to a box, to an empty box, is because that is not what my question is asking me to find. My question is not asking me to find the total number of slices. My question is asking me to find how many slices of pizza each person is going to get. So that's why I put a question mark down here. Each person received blank slices of pizza. So when you draw your strip diagrams, if you have 2 strip diagrams, that means you're going to have 2 different steps to this problem. Okay? So the first step, we already talked about what this first step was. We said that I need to have 3 pizzas, and each pizza is going to have 3 slices, or 8 slices. I'm sorry. 3 pizzas and 8 slices. So I'm going to say that I have 3 pizzas times 8 slices equals the total number of slices. Okay, that's the first step. 3 pizzas times 8 slices equals the total number of slices. Then we're going to take the total number of slices divided by 6 people, and that equals the number of slices per person. Okay? I don't have this here, okay? I can't do anything with this, all right? You don't have this. But what I can do is I can try to estimate, okay? I'm gonna come up with easy numbers. Ooh, I'm so sorry. You guys have not been able to see that. So sorry. 3 pizzas times 8 slices equals the total number of slices. Then I'm going to take my total number of slices and I'm going to share those or divide those by 6 people, which is going to give me the number of slices per person. Sorry, you could not see that. Now, I want to estimate. Remember, we've done everything we can so far. We've understood. You made your question into a sentence. You made your strip diagrams. We started planning. You've written your number sentences. I want to estimate. And when you estimate, you want to work with numbers that are compatible, easy numbers to work with. So Mrs. Garza knows that that's close to each other and that's close to each other. Okay. So 2 times 10 equals 20. Okay. And then I'm going to just estimate. So this is my total number of slices. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. All right? Because I know that 5 times 4 equals 20 or 4 times 5 equals 20. So this is my estimation. Your numbers may have been a little bit different when you estimate, okay? You just want to find numbers that are easy to work with and are multiplication or division facts that you remember and that you know. These are easy for me. I know my 10s. I know my 5s. So I can do 2 times 10. I know that that's 20. I can do 20 divided by 5. I know that that's 4. Okay? So my number of slices that each person gets should be close to 4. Okay? Now, let's start solving. Again, how many steps do we have here? Good. We have 2 steps. It's really, really, really important that we remember this. Because a lot of times when we're working out 2-step word problems, students just get to the first step and they stop. And I'm going to show you how we can check and make sure that we don't do that, okay? I'm almost done. I know that this has been long, but this is a 2-step word problem, okay? So let me keep going. We're almost done. We just have 2 more steps. Stay with me, all right? So I am going to multiply first. I'm going to multiply 3 times 8, okay? And I'm going to do repeated addition. So 3 times 8 equals 8 plus 8 plus 8, which equals 8 plus 8 is 16 16 plus 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 is 24. Okay, so there was a total of 24 slices of pizza. That is the first step. Now, if this was a multiple choice question, I can almost guarantee you that 24 would be an answer choice. Does every person receive 24 slices of pizza? Does that make sense? So when you're like, I'm done, I got my answer, ask yourself, each person received 24 slices of pizza? If each person received 24 slices of pizza, that means there was a lot of slices, because that would be 24 times 6, because there's 6 people receiving 24 slices of pizza. Does that make sense? No, that mathematically does not work, okay, with what we've already decided that we're doing. So when you've done your first step, don't stop there. Ask yourself that question. A lot of you are going to see 24 as an answer choice, circle it, and move on to the next problem. But you're not done. We already said we have two strip diagrams. I've only done one. So right here goes 24. Okay? 24 goes right there. I'm not done. I don't have this, but I can put 24 here. 24 divided by 6. Now, was this close? 20 and 24, those are really close. So I'm on the right track. Okay? Now, 24 divided by 6 equals something. Okay? I am going to do 6 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to put 1 in there at a time until I get to a total of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay? I need to make sure that every single group has the same amount of slices of pizza in this case. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Are those compatible? 4 and 4? Yes, it's the same number. Okay? Each person received, so far I think it's 4 slices of pizza, but we're not done. Okay? We are not done. We need to check our word problem. All right. The way that we can check this is I can multiply 4. I can multiply 4 times 6 to get 24. Or I can just solve this a different way, okay? So instead of doing repeated addition for this, I could do 3 times 8 equals, which is, and I'm going to do equal groups. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay? That matches 24. 24 divided by 6. I did equal groups here. I'm going to do repeated subtraction. 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6. And if I don't know this off the top of my head, please use your fingers. There is no shame in using your fingers, okay? I want you to get the right answer. All right? 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. 18 minus 6, 18. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. 12 minus 6, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Excuse me. I'm going to bring this up here. 6 minus 6 is 0. How many times did you subtract 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4. So each person receives 4 slices of pizza.